Hello, gamers and game designers. We're going to do the discussion for the big creative project. All right, what are we going to do during the pandemic? Well, some of you guys are going to need to go on Canvas and find missing work and figure out how to do it the best you can. And this spiel here is for us to get started with some new assignments. And one of them is this discussion. So there's some questions involved with this that you're going to have to answer when you're done. So some of you guys never finished the scoring guide for the big creative project, and so if you need to, I'll have you do that. And then the main project we're going to talk about is the big creative project. Okay, so you guys know what the big creative project is. It's just our creative project that we are going to work on for the rest of the school year. So many of you guys have already done the scoring guide for it. If not, then I want you guys to find it in Canvas and make a copy of it and fill it out and share that with me through Canvas. But so here's the way it's broken down. So we have the third quarter. That's what we've already done. And what we should be working on now is that was the third quarter progress. And then for the third quarter grades, what I want you guys to do is create a character. Could just be a capsule for now that has all the movement and controls you'd need, so moving and jumping and whatever he needs. So white box the level, so we don't need textures or anything like that, but just lay out the level in a really basic way. And then begin to add a simple obstacle or enemy, and then you get a lot of points for actually completing the obstacle or enemy, so you can actually like fight somebody and win, or complete a challenge of some sort. Okay, and then after this, we're going to go on to that one, but these first two are where we're at for now. Okay. Okay, so you can start from where you left off. So you can come in and get your files, have me send them to you somehow, or if you want to, you can start from scratch. If you want to do something different, you can do a Unity tutorial online. So we're going to be very flexible, but I just want to make sure that you're continuing on with your learning. So we're going to use Canvas to communicate and to do this. Speaking of communication, let's see if we can figure this thing out. So speaking of communication, there's this thing over here called the inbox. If you click on there and you click on that, you can send me an email basically. So we can do that. Okay, so what are we going to do during the pandemic? We're going to all be very flexible. We're still going to work. We're going to get stuff done. So just remember that the videos and assignments are made for regular circumstances. So be flexible, use common sense, just try to figure out what we can do, so we can change things up if we need to make it work for you. Okay, so we already looked at the scoring guide, so you know that the first two sections are what we want for now. Okay, so what are we going to do for this discussion? So this discussion is about what we're going to do, which is what you're going to do is the best that you can. You're going to download Unity. You're going to start a new project, or come down and get your old project, or have me send you the old project. And then but we're actually going to answer these questions in Canvas. So you're going to make sure that you log into Canvas. You're going to go down to the big creative project, and you're going to open up the discussion, and the video is here, and you're going to watch the video, and you're going to answer these questions. You're going to click reply. You're going to use the numbers 1, 2, 3, so I know which question you're answering. Answer all 7 of them. So what is the main assignment? The main assignment is to finish the first 2 sections of the creative project. When is the main assignment due? Well, you come back over here, and these dates are off, but when you go to do it, they'll be correct. So here's the due date for the discussion, and here is the big creative project third quarter progress. That's already due. The third quarter grades is due April 10th. Right, so look for the updated version of these dates on Canvas and write that down. How are you going to turn in the main assignment? You're going to do it, and then you're going to videotape yourself showing me the assignment and walking me through the scoring guide. Right, so you're gonna read through, basically say, hey, I generated a great idea that will be something complete, and then you'll talk to me about it. Right. And you're going to send me that video. How can I get your files to you? I don't know. You're going to have to tell me that. How can we get you your stuff you need? Do you have any questions? Are there any big problems that you're going to have? Okay, so do those things. Okay, let's go back to our project here, or our spiel here. Okay, so actually answer these in Canvas. So we basically have 3 assignments. We have this discussion. You have the scoring guide if you need it, and then work on the big project and send that to me when you're done. And finish the. That's not it. Okay, here it is. What's the main assignment? Finish the first 2 sections of the scoring guide like we already talked about. If you can't use Unity for some reason, use Codecademy to learn Python. Here's a link. You could come up with your own idea of what you would want to do and talk to me about it before you get started. If you have problems, contact me through Canvas like I already showed you, or you can email me. How do you get points for the main assignment? Okay, so go ahead and answer those questions on the discussion and then get started. All right, that's it, guys. Thanks. Bye.